Hastani joto lukurong bagai Samsundar Cool Jewelers 2.5 chomok jora Donteras. Donteras re Diwali terno rugai tu bisa kadal bidal offers.
Offers 10 October Shalmari Nishimi, 22nd October Shalmari Zora Tongai.
Aba haikin orang sak ni mari pai mungo per gramo 525 rang maridi khaikalai mung sak nai tei jeng holong ni pai mungo 100% making charge tongnai
Ab shubai thage ko jodo mani bai mungono thongnai Assure Gift Day special discount voucher manai 1500 rang marini
Te offers ni jorawo rang sakte cheng holong ni mani pai ka hanke megadro ko kaiba uskuti manali shep shap tongo
lamsogo rangchakhani joto khabang dakte buksong jeng tini rajakhara gulini belaino mungganang sini mungmanjak belaino kesam rangchakni dogano phaisok pojak obongka Shamsundar Jewelry engkai anbus kango tongo tabo orjakani director. So today we are here at the Shamsundar Jewelry store. We have with us the director of the Shamsundar Jewelry, Madam Arpita Saha. So let's have some interactions with her and let's try to know what are the special offers that we are getting this year for the Diwali festival.
Okay. I mean, best wishes to all our viewers for this Chamak Bhara Dhanteras. We are offering a special 525 rupees off per gram of gold you buy. Then we have 15% off on gemstones, and with every purchase you get an assured gift. Then there's a mega lucky draw where we have 5 scooties, and top of that, up to 1500 rupees, that is 1500, we are giving a discount voucher which you can encash on your next purchase.
Each year we can see that Shamsundar Jewelries and other brands there are lots of other brands also. So tell the people why people should come to Shamsundar Jewelries. What extra, what special they're getting in this showroom?
First of all, I would like to say, since we have been in this state since 1960, so this long time helps us in getting the experience. So the experience helps us a lot, and then of course with the patronage from our customers, they have relied on us all over the years, and their coming here means we are getting encouraged, we are aspired to give them the best, the most value for money. We always try to give our customers the best value for their money.
And I would like to know what is the customer rate ratio between the relationship between the trust with the jewelry that they are getting from Shamsundar brand with the customers.
Yeah, actually now, first of all, I think with the what he has asked about the relationship between the customer and our brand is like the trust factor comes from the very good design we try to give. Then every design, every ornament is, we make it with this TLC factor, with tender, loving care, which I always say in my interviews, that each piece we try to give, of all our effort. And then we have our designers standing by us all along. They are our backbone. They do their best, and we try to fulfill their dreams, and in return we also fulfill our dreams. Then of course this hallmark jewelry, hallmark thing, where now purity is not a question anymore. Everybody is giving hallmark gold. Then another thing is this trust factor is the functionality, the longevity of the ornament which one wears. Okay, sir, by accident one or two incidents do happen, but over the time we not only consider design, but the technical aspect of the ornament also is very, very important, which we always look into.
And I would like to know one more special and important thing, that as we know today we are living in a Gen Z generations. So people, the young generations, they want something new. When it comes to jewelry, be it any ornaments, so they want something new which they can adopt it. So do you, Siam Sundar, can offer such jewelries for the people?
Of course, we have new generation coming, Gen X, Gen Z, everybody. And then the thing is, they are more now into, very delicate, dainty stuff. And we have 18 karat gold, even 14 karat we are selling, and it's doing very well. And of course diamond, they are very much into diamonds. So we have 14 karat diamonds, 18 karat diamonds, and also without diamonds, the 14 karat collection and 18 karat. We have our glitteria collection which everybody has liked very much, and very good response we have got.
Okay, one last question. Like this offer, special offers on the occasion of Diwali or Dhanteras, up to how many days or last date, so that the people can come and purchase? The last date for the offer.
Last date for the offer is 22nd October, and which started yesterday from the 10th. And we have a offer which says that if you give 25% advance, then you can take your jewelry by the 31st of October on a very flexible rate. If the rate goes down, then you get the lower rate, and if the price gets higher, then you get the lower rate on which you booked.
What about the mega lucky draw and other lucky draws that people can acquire? What are the process and system?
Achha. The mega lucky draw, on after every purchase you fill up a form and then you drop it in the drop box, and then after this Dhanteras over, within a month or so, we pick out the lucky winners. There are 5 lucky winners. We will get a scooty each. We prefer scooty because our customers always demand, say, no, scooty is, you mostly have female customers. So a scooty is always, a female person always looks up to a scooty to aspire to have one.
Okay, one last message for the people. What will be your message from Siam Sundar Jewellers?
First of all, I would like to thank Chinni Korang for coming here, and I'd like to thank my customers, the people of Tripura, for their patronage. We really thank you from the bottom of my heart, and do support us as you have always been doing, and best wishes for a very happy Diwali.
Thank you so much for having time. Okay, thaichingo chung Shamsuna Jewelries ni director Madam Arpita Shah bini khokte bukhanai man ka taklai bishini o Dhanteras Diwas hai ke ba Diwali festival ni occasion no tamo offers bor kubi phaika tai busak joratei bu koi tarik joratei bong ni offers lukurong ni bagi fuluk jagi tongnai abusung bong khukri khunai man ka haini bagai khapang tahukte buhusang norok tomung no takle bishini o Diwali festival no te chung sasa naitho tok bisingo nor palanya musung kangke norok family by phailedi Shamsuna Jewelries so borok different varieties of jewelries ornaments borok different style by Gen Z ni generation ni je theme rok by tubi borok kaham jewelries subjak abon bagai Shamsuna bekhakte norok jotonon koyo norok tomungno boskango kono rangsak ni manei ba chung holong ni mani painer musung tongka norok or phai paimono